Hello and welcome to another video from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. I'm Trevor Lewis, and in this video I'm going to show students how to install Inkscape using the Windows Store. So if you're on a Windows device, either a district Windows device or your own, you just go down to the search menu here, and I always call it the Windows Store, but I think it's actually called the Microsoft Store. But if you search for either here, you can find it and click on it. You may need to log into it if you're on a district device using your official login, but if you're on the district device, it'll say Mukilteo School District up at the top here, and it'll show you only Mukilteo School District approved apps. The one we use in 8th grade is Inkscape. We use that to control the laser. So you're going to click on Inkscape and you're going to install it. If you're on a Mac or a different computer, you can also go straight to the Inkscape website and download from there. This is a good option if you have your own personal computer, but on a Windows device that is by the desktop, you're going to want to install this from the Windows Store. So there's the Windows and Mac versions, but in the Windows Store, you're just going to click on it, and you can just press install, and it should install, and you should be able to use it for our class. Thanks for watching the video. If you have a Chromebook, go ahead and use the Chrome extension, the Inkscape Chrome extension, which is not as good a program, but there's a whole video I have about how you can work with that if you only have a Chromebook or you cannot install on your computer.